So when did it actually sink in that you had the part?
You know what? Sometimes it still hasn't.
Marley has had quite, hard storylines.
Right.
Is that something that you've enjoyed doing? Has it been a scary process?
A little bit of both. It was intimidating, the prospect of when I first heard that the bulimia storyline was going to happen, but at the same time, that's why I love what I do, and I was so happy to be able to explore that and, give a voice to a lot of girls who are going through that.
Out of all the rest of the Glee cast, who do you think you were more like when you were growing up?
I was a lot like Marley in high school. I mean, I did a lot of extracurricular stuff where I could be silly and weird and dorky and outside of school, but at school I totally was a wallflower and a loner and shy and quiet, and so I was like Marley a little bit.
You've performed so many numbers now, but when you were younger, did you have a song that used to make you get up and dance around? Did you have a favourite song?
Oh, I had so many. One of them was yours.
Really? Which one?
I mean, Wannabe was an amazing. I was huge Spice Girls NSYNC fan. Tearing Up My Heart.
But Wannabe was your favourite, wasn't it? Of course.
Oh yeah, duh.
Have you had a favourite performance of Series 4 so far?
New York State of Mind is always going to just be at the top for me because it was, my first time performing on the show, and that was really magical for me. And also, some nights when we did the fun number, oh, that was awesome. It was a really fun day, and I love that song and that band.
A lot of people are saying that you are our new Lea Michele. Is that kind of hard to take on, or is it a lot of pressure?
At first it was, but I so don't think of it that way, because Marley, I think, is so different, and I would never even want to try to compare myself to Lea Michele. She is an amazing, on her own level, and so I always get weird when people say that.
Yeah, I suppose you're both very different. For me, anyway, I love the way you both perform. But thank you so much. It was lovely speaking to you. Thank you.
Yeah, it was so nice to talk to you.